Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Students, I already given you long question and their answer, but I found a number of mistakes because I sent you audio clip. So right now I have prepared another one. So you can see this one. If you have not completed yet the long question of the chapter first, that is Tom Sawyer, you can write from this answer. Okay, so see the question and as well as the answer. The first question has been asked in long question of Tom Sawyer. How did Tom convince Ben that whitewashing was a great work? See the answer. Tom was punished to whitewash the garden fence. Full stop. Tom was sad as he did not want to do whitewash work. He thought of a plan. When he saw Ben Rogers coming there, he started working with more interest. Full stop. He pretended as he had not noticed him. Ben asked Tom why he was working on a holiday. Holiday. Tom said that whitewashing was not a work. Full stop. It was a fun. Ben did not believe him first. Full stop. Yet after some time, he begged Tom. Begged means what? Requested. Okay. Second form of beg. Like the first form is beg and the second form is what? Begged. As we have what? Request and requested. So he begged Tom for a chance to whitewash a little. Tom took his apple in return. In this way, Tom convinced Ben Rogers. Okay, this was all about the answer first of long question. Let me open the next. See here, long question number 2. Tom was not well. His aunt decided to give him the bath treatment. Describe this bath treatment. What was its effect on Tom? Now see the answer. Tom was not feeling well. He could not sleep as well as he used to. He could not eat properly. Sometimes he did not like to play. He was unhappy. Aunt Polly decided to give him the bath treatment. She made Tom stand outside in the yard. Yard means open area, angan you can say also. And threw ice cold water on him. Then she wrapped him in a wet bed sheet. Wet means what? भीगा हुआ. Okay? जब उसको आइस कोल्ड से नहला देती है उसके बाद फिर उसको क्या करती है? भीगे हुए बेडशीट में रैप करती है, उसको लपेट देती है. She wrapped him in a wet bed sheet and made him lie in the bed. Let me. But this did not affect Tom in a good way. Then Aunt Polly thought that she should use hot water instead of ice cold water. Full stop. Aunt Polly did the same. Full stop. But Tom's condition became worse. Worse is what? Bad. Okay. Now we have last long question of this chapter. How did Tom get rid of the painkiller? Get rid means what? Chutkara pana. Freedom. Aunt Polly decided to give him painkiller as bath treatment did not work. You know very well. आपको पता है कि बाथ ट्रीटमेंट देने के बावजूद भी उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं हुई और इस वजह से आंट पॉली ने क्या डिसाइड किया कि शी विल अप्लाई अ न्यू मेडिसिन एंड दैट मेडिसिन नेम वाज व्हाट? पेन किलर. तो आपको यहाँ तक लिखना है, उसके बाद सीधा यहाँ पे आना है. आंट पॉली मेड टॉम ड्रिंक 3 spoonful आफ्टर ईच मील. टॉम hated means here did not like. Tom did not like this medicine because it had a taste of fire. When Aunt Polly was not looking at him, He poured, Poured. Poured means threw, फेंकना, throw. Okay? He poured the medicine into a hole. होल मीन्स वॉट, कहीं सुराग टाइप का रहता है ना, जहाँ पे छिद्र रहता है, उसमें डाल देता है. इन द फ्लोर. वन डे a cat came into his room. He poured the painkiller in cat's mouth. Then what happens? See here. This is the one of the longest answer. The cat jumped high into the air and started dancing. Started dancing on its back legs. It started running here and there. Moving, don't write. Moving I have cut over here, okay? So it started running here and there. It broke away many things that were in its way. It was, here is what I have written. Okay? It was acting like a mad. पागलों की तरह बिहेव कर रही थी. कौन? बिल्ली. Because of the cat's behavior, Aunt Polly, let me scroll, thought. Aunt Polly thought, here thought I have written, and Polly thought that this medicine was not good for Tom and cat both. So she said Tom not to take this. In this way, he got rid from this painkiller. Okay. This was all about the long question and answer of the first chapter, Tom Sawyer. In next lecture, I will deal all long questions of Kabuliwala. Okay.